There's a number of shops that sell fresh seafood that you pick. So shrimp, squid, crab, all kinds of stuff. And then there's also a lot of shops that sell like fish cakes that are simmering in a pot outside. On the way back on the taxi to the hotel, Avery fell asleep. She fell asleep for about 15-20 minutes. And when we got back to the hotel room, she was still sleeping when we got back to the room, but then she woke up as we were trying to put her into bed. So she, in her mind, thinks she already took a nap and she now doesn't want to go to sleep. So we decided we're gonna go to the pool instead. So come along with us as we check out the Park Hyatt pool. It's actually really nice. I had a preview yesterday when I went to the sauna. It's really nice. So this pool is heated to about 30 degrees C. Not sure what that translates into Fahrenheit, but they also have a hot tub back here. That's nice. They do require swim caps, but they sell these for about 8,800 won, or won, $5. Avery, how do we look with our swim caps? Do we look funny? After taking a little of a break at the hotel, Avery napped, we decided to come to this place called Busan X the Sky, something like that. But it's a 100-story high-rise building, skyscraper. And on the 100th floor, there's an observatory. It's the second tallest building in all of Korea. And this apparently is the tallest observatory in all of Korea. But at the beginning of this thing, they have like a partnership with Baby Shark. And Avery is loving it. This attraction is a little expensive for about $30 US as the total that we paid. And that includes the 25% discount that we got because we're staying at the Park Hyatt. A little pricey, but I think it's pretty cool. Thankfully, we can actually still see some stuff because even though we're at on the 100th floor, the clouds don't cover it yet. But it is raining outside, so that's why we decided to come. However, for Avery, the biggest attraction are these baby shark figures. This observatory is 3 levels. So you start on the 100th and then you work your way down. So 98, 99, 100, 99 just has the restaurant. 99 used to have Starbucks on it, but they relocated to 98. But from here, you can also see the Sky Capsule train and then the beach train that we were on the other day. It's actually a pretty cool observatory. You can see the huge beach and you can see the bridge in the background. It's actually very, very nice. Highly recommend. On the pricey side, but that's okay. Whoa, they have all the candy over here. They definitely make Baby Shark a thing over here. Good for kids. So good for Avery. She loves it. So this Starbucks has the distinction of being the world's tallest Starbucks. It's actually on the 99th floor. I spoke incorrectly. You have to go down to the 98th and climb the stairs up here to the 99th floor. So it is the tallest Starbucks in the world. Well, after the sky observation tower thing, we are looking for dinner. Our intentions are currently to go to the street food traditional market, and it's about a 10 to 12 minute walk, but it is quite windy and quite rainy. Good thing we brought the rain cover at Melissa's suggestion for the stroller, so Avery's pretty comfortable. We did see quite a few umbrellas being destroyed by the wind, so hopefully mine doesn't. So we're braving it. We're gonna see how this works out. We made it successfully, even though we had to go walk through the rain, but not too bad. It's just a little sprinkle. This is the street if I put my umbrella down. So this is the traditional street market right here. It looks really good.
Apparently our silverware is here.
Yeah.
I didn't know that, so I grabbed it from another table.
So we came inside to escape the rain a little bit, and then this is like a famous seafood pancake place that we're now gonna try. It looks pretty good.
So it looks like we have green onions, squid,
Octopus.
Looks like we got everything.
Egg, I think. A little bit of egg. A lot of seafood in here, but you also get a lot of green onion. Like entire stalks of green onion. Basically, like that. It's definitely difficult to eat because you basically are eating an entire stalk of green onion at one time. So we just watched them cook it. Literally, they just cook it out of this like one little tiny stalk. They literally just put entire stalks. They put the stalks of green onion first, then they pour the batter. And so thus you have all those green onions. It was really good. It was 7,000 won, $5 basically. Maybe less than $5, but somewhere around there. On to the next. Melissa read about this dumpling place, but we're gonna walk a little further down the street before we decide. Korean fried chicken is a thing, and this is the shop that sells it. They fry an entire chicken. There's a number of shops that sell fresh seafood that you pick. So shrimp, squid, crab, all kinds of stuff. And then there's also a lot of shops that sell like fish cakes that are simmering in a pot outside. This place is so popular, the tour buses stop here and then just like drop people off. I think literally these people just got off the tour bus.
All right.
At least it's not raining. fish cake and tempura. Very good. It was very cheap too, 6,000. We didn't get a lot, but all the food here has been really good and inexpensive. The one thing you can get here is live octopus, where they kill the octopus in front of you and then put it on a plate and it's still squirming and then you just eat it. We're not gonna get that for sure. And because this is the best thing we found in Busan, we got more putuk.
Wait, it's hot? Hot.
Avery's a fan as well, except she wants it right now when it's steaming hot, so. Good morning. It is our last full day here in Busan, Korea, and we find ourselves in this Home Plus store. It's essentially like a Walmart or a Target, but Korean version. But what I found right here is a golf simulator that's like inside this store. That's pretty cool.